I made it to Animal Kingdom, as you can see. Still looking for my wife, Liz. Haven't found her yet. I found turtles and squirrels and birds and rats and bats and lizards, but no Liz. Well, we'll keep looking for her in Animal Kingdom. Stay tuned. Maybe we find the Tim tracker. This is cool. According to the monkeys over there, my wife is on the river rapids. So that guy right there told me that the river rapids is where I need to find Liz. This guy said no, but the other guy climbing at the highest, the dark one, he said to get on this and find her. So let's go and let's go find her. Thanks, guys. What is this monkey telling me to do? The camera. It sees everything. So say hi. Hi. Hey, if you're looking for it, it's 360 Jimi. I'm on YouTube. 360 Jimi, Jimi. And this is my, I'm looking for my wife. She was supposed to be here. Have you seen my wife? Anybody? No? A monkey told me to be here.
That's fine.
Bonka. Thank you very much for saving my jacket. The rest of me, forget about it, but my jacket will be okay.
You gotta take the camera though.
Oh, the camera's...
Waterproof?
Yeah, I hope so. Why am I on this side? Why are we on this side?
Go get it.
What is everybody afraid of? This is nothing.
This is cruise.
Cruising.
Jungle cruise.
We're smooth. See? Oh, that was not, that's the worst of it, right? Right. Okay. Why am I here? Why aren't you? Okay, here. I'll just. You got the thirst wetness.
Got my shoe. Now I'm putting my shoe up.
Hey, it reminds me of Canada. That's where I live. That happens all the time.
Markers.
Yeah. Here we go. I think I see an edge here. Oh no. Oh no. Well, there we go. You should have your foot all the way up. I think my lens is wet. All right, we're back. And yet we're still here. Oh no. Okay, that wasn't too bad. You're losing. right, the sun. Yay. All right. There's people. There's people on the bridge that can push a button.
Oh,
Don't push the button. Don't push the button. Don't do it.
Welcome back, my friends. These are my secrets.
We're here. We have arrived, and yet I have not found my wife, Lise. Did you guys see her? No? Yeah. We'll have to keep looking. Let's see if I can get their attention, pushing the green button. They didn't even know that we did that.